How are genes passed on? Our genetic code is contained in 23 pairs of chromosomes. Half of each pair comes from mom, the other half comes from dad. Chromosomes 1 through 22 are numbered and are called autosomes. The 23rd pair of chromosomes determine our sex, which is why they're called the sex chromosomes. Our genes reside on these chromosomes and therefore come in pairs too. Some conditions are caused by a change to only one gene in a pair. This is called dominant inheritance. If you have a dominant trait or condition, your child has a 50-50 chance of inheriting that trait or condition. Freckles, for example, are a dominant trait. But other conditions require a change to both genes in a pair. This is called recessive inheritance. You may carry a variant in a gene for a recessive trait and not even know it, because you only carry one copy of the recessive gene. Your other copy of the gene is working just fine and overrides the variant copy. This is called being a carrier. But if you go on to have children with a partner who is also a carrier, your children have a 1 in 4 chance of inheriting and expressing that condition. The disease cystic fibrosis is passed down like this. Things get really interesting with the 23rd pair of chromosomes, the sex chromosomes. Females have 2 X chromosomes and pass along X's to all their children. But males, on the other hand, have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome and pass along either an X or a Y. So, if a woman has a variant in a gene on one of her X chromosomes and passes that along to her son, he will certainly have that trait or condition because he doesn't have another working copy of the gene to override it. This phenomenon of traits or conditions showing up mostly in males is called X-linked inheritance. Red-green color blindness is inherited this way.